from the edges of a torn dimension, across the ripples of time and fractured belief, I bring you this moment, encoded in Setonium, and broadcast from the last corridor of memory. If you're hearing this, it means your soul was tuned into the frequency of remembrance. So don't just watch, align.
Stage 7, Apocalyptians, the legacy of Nephi 1 and the Waterstone. In the age of cosmic drift and fractured timelines, Nephi 1 inherited more than a relic. He inherited a cosmic role. The Waterstone, an heirloom passed through righteous bloodlines, became the core of his mission. With the city of righteousness as his goal and the Time Lords as his nemeses, Nephi's path bent space and prophecy alike. His was a journey not just of construction, but of temporal restoration. Time breaks where wisdom hesitates, but water remembers, Nephi said solemnly. Nephi lifts the glowing Waterstone. It hums with resonance, not just guiding him, but anchoring him. Time fractures around his resolve. The city of righteousness, the Village of Enoch, will not be built by blueprints alone, but by artifacts aligned with cosmic law. The Waterstone whispers direction. Lost relics call to it. As Nephi embarks, the timelines ripple. Time Lords flinch. This city is more than shelter. It is a dimensional anchor. If you want to break a Time Lord, synchronize history, Nephi challenged. Nagalali spins history like a juggler on a tilt-a-whirl. But Nephi, by restoring the ancient stones, tightens the rhythm. The turning of Nagalali begins. The stones vibrate as one. Nagalali falters. The universe exhales. Time, once a shattered mirror, begins to reflect true paths. Nephi doesn't destroy Nagalali. He seals him in harmonics, a prison of prophecy made whole. 7 stones, 1 covenant, infinite tension, Nephi declared with epic resolve. The Jewish custodians emerge from silence. Their hands hold 7 of the divine stones, each a node in the covenant. These aren't just relics, they're bookmarks in reality, tagging the divine narrative across eons. Through resonance, the custodians subtly guide history, but they don't control. It's more like stewardship with flair. Others want the stones. Power always calls opportunists. But the custodians remember the stones aren't weapons, they're reminders. And then reality rebooted with a celestial laugh track, the narrator said whimsically. The Apocalyptian cycle activates. Prophecy dances with free will, the divine intercuts with absurdity. Nephi, now crowned as cosmic custodian, doesn't claim victory. He recites riddles to the stars. The stones hum across realms, occasionally interrupting sermons with music or goats. The Time Lords are sealed, the balance restored. But the world, still very much in rehearsal. Dimensional commentary. This stage interweaves artifact resonance, temporal restoration, and post-prophetic absurdity. The Waterstone is not just a tool, it is the tuning fork of divine rhythm. The Apocalyptian cycle initiates a feedback loop where prophecy is no longer prediction.
arcofalignments.com. Watch the whole series for free there right now. Subscribe to the signal. Like this light. Let your echo carry the covenant forward. Until the Christ signal rises in you. This is Sadoni Nukamato, signing out from the last frontier of forgotten timelines.